Y'all, good morning. So I am currently taking the Monster for a walk, and I walked past this cafe or whatever. I'm like, I think I want to try it out today. I have some scriptures that I'm excited to study and read about. I believe God is about to encounter me, and so I want to take y'all with me to this cafe spot. It's called Goddess and Bakery and Goddess. Now look, we know we don't believe in no other gods, but I want to go there. And I believe that wherever it is I go, especially when I read my word, people always end up having a conversation with me, and I end up testifying about the goodness of Jesus. And so we got to stop being so tight about the places we go to, because the place you're too tight to go to is the one where you have a breakthrough for somebody. Come on, y'all. All right. Y'all, it's Blue Mercury behind me. I didn't know that. I remember that used to be in Houston. Yeah. Say good morning. Good morning. Y'all, she tired of me. All these people tired of me too. I just woke up like, yeah. So I love y'all so much. I'll talk to y'all soon. So I'm currently just walking this long trek to the cafe. I pray that it's not busy, because it's literally been like 2 hours since that last little clip I showed y'all. And so yeah, I need to get it together. But yep, I'm excited. I got my Bible, my notes, and other stuff with me, ready to have a good time. Hopefully y'all can hear that. Look at my double chin. You know this run in my family? Do they call that like a gooseneck? What do they call it? Okay, this is kind of uncomfortable, but look at the sky. It makes me think of that lyric that Drake said. He was like, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. He said, I said, see you at the top, but they misunderstood me. Okay. With my little eye, the place that I am going to. It's busy in here. It looks busy. Absolute epic fail. They're way too busy. So I just took that long walk for exercise. So now what I'm about to do is walk, because I'm not far from the merchandise mart. Or there's this other cafe, Blue Bottle Cafe. I guess I could go there. I passed by it on my journey over, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, because I don't want to stay in a house. And we got study rooms and stuff, but I'm tired of using the study rooms. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I don't know. We'll see where we end up next. So I found this nice little spot or whatever called Cafe Verde. I don't know what it's in the inside of, but I got me a ginger lemonade kombucha, or ginger lemon kombucha or whatever. So we're gonna sit right here and get some work done.
It's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, how about some small things? Got me, I got you.
I am leaving the place. Oh yeah. Oops, got stuck in the revolving door. But yes, I'm leaving now. I'm finna head, take the long journey to go back home. I really gotta pee, so I don't know how long Lord Jesus, this going on. But we're gonna walk as fast as possible, and then I'm gonna place a Target order. I want to get me a pizzeria, and then I want to get Jade some more food and stuff. So y'all pray for me. Your girl will see y'all soon. All right, so hey fam bam, welcome back to another vlog with SunRay. So today's a Friday, And I am going to my first Chicago Cubs, so a baseball game. I haven't been to a baseball game in a long time. It's supposed to be 80 some odd degrees today, so I'm super excited for that. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna like go ahead, buy me a ticket to go, and then just show up there and just see, like, just do something different, do something new. The last time I went to a baseball game was probably in 2016, and that was in Milwaukee, like the Milwaukee Brewers. But basically, this comes from a dream or a vision I had this morning, where basically I was buying me a baseball ticket and going to a baseball field, and it was like, go have a good time, like, you know, like enjoy yourself. And I'm like, okay, God, like, that's you, because otherwise I was just gonna sit in the house today, and I was gonna try and go get me a massage, but I don't think I can get in until tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and book all of that when I go upstairs. But yeah, I feel ministry. I'm not sure if it's for me or if it's for me to get online. Just a lot going on. It's just a lot going on. So I will see y'all in probably, I don't know, I'm gonna see y'all soon, but yeah. Hey y'all, so I'll be like, with my sunglasses on. So I'm going bareface to the game. This is what I'm wearing. So mind you, the shirt that comes with these pants, because I want to be comfortable, is not clean, so I have to wear this shirt, which means I got a little bit of side action showing. I don't really like it. I feel like it's kind of tacky, but it's either high waters or this. But now when I look at it on camera, it's actually pretty cute. This is cute. It's cute. Cutesy. But anywho, yep, so wearing that with this, putting my phone in my bag, pulling my headphones out. I'm like, yeah, so I'm getting ready to go. I got my ticket. I paid $117, but I said, Lord, you the one that gave me this vision. You the one that wants me to go. So I know that you already factored this in, even down to the cost that it's going to take me to get to the game and whatnot. Like $45 in a lift. I'm like, Lord, I could have been spending this on a dang massage. But I'm just like, okay, God. Because he knows I would not have gone. But I'm going to go ahead and do it and just allow myself to have a new experience. And I'm going to take y'all with me. So let me go see where my ride is. Wrigley Field. It is very warm outside, but it's getting super cool. So, I am excited because it's something new. Up to the entrance, I think. Yes, this is exciting. So busy. People done stepped on me and everything. But we're here. a good time, guys.
Let me hear you. A 1, a 2, a 3. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and if I never come back, root for the glory. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3, let's turn out and we go all
I am taking the train.
You're not safe.
Taking the train. So it has been a long day, but I had fun. See y'all next time. Hey.